Welcome to Delicious Delights. In this video, I will be making callaloo patties. Here are all my ingredients. Guys, if it's your first time here on Delicious Delights, please subscribe to the channel, touch my post notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. So here I have all my ingredients here, so I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients together to make the dough for the callaloo patties. Remember to put God first in everything that you're doing and be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Now let's enjoy this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
When a combo, yeah, both yard style and international. Share up the video, make we have fun, man. Didi Kitchen have the best chefs I ever known. Delicious delights, always have fun. Watch Didi blend up the beverage them.
We'll continue to do this until I get it looking like breadcrumbs. So when you're making your dough for your patties, this is the look you should look for. After combining the butter with the flour, you want it to look like breadcrumbs, okay? After I get the desired look that I'm looking for, I am going to tip a little bit of my cold water to the dry mixture, and then I'm going to be combining the flour together. This is what it looks like after I finish sticking the flour together. So I'm just going to go ahead now and wrap it in cling wrap, and I will be putting it in the fridge for roughly about an hour. Here I'm cooking up some delicious callaloo to make the callaloo patties. It smells amazing, guys. So guys, I have some flour here, for when I'm gonna roll out the dough, my rolling pin, and I have a fork, and I need to get my egg out of the fridge. I could get to that later. Alright. And I did a video showing how to make the dough for your patty, so you can check that video out. Alright, and also check out my second channel, Healthy Eats BLS. Please check out the channel and support. Thank you. So here we have the dough. Nice. Right, so I'm gonna cut it in half. When you're rolling out your patty dough, guys, just take your time and roll. Don't press too hard on the dough. Right? Just slightly roll it like this. Okay. So I'm going to use a pot cover to shape it out. Here we have one. So I'm gonna fill it now, let you see. Here's the callaloo. Wow, look at this callaloo, guys. It is so tasty. My word. Pretty callaloo. Alright, so let's do this. Line up the camera properly so they can see. Alright. So now we're gonna make our callaloo patty. And when you're doing this, guys, try to stay away from the edge, okay? Try not to get your meat or your veggie at the edge, because when you're gonna seal it, you don't want to have any problems. So try not to get the edge wet, all right? And you can make these in whatever size you like. Okay, you can make them bigger, or you can make them smaller like cocktail. Okay, so now I'm going to use my fork to close it. This one is nice and puffy. Look at it. Punch some hole like this. Okay. So here you have a nice, look guys, look at this. Look at this. Alright. So I'm gonna put it on my baking sheet, baking pan. Guys, and I'm going to slightly baste the top of my patty with some egg. And this will give it a nice color at the end. At our callaloo patties, they smell amazing. Look at these guys, beautiful in color, and trust me, I know they taste good because the callaloo is well flavored, well seasoned. Look at these, it is very hot, so I'm gonna allow them to cool down for a little bit before I bite into one for you guys. Yummy! How beautiful, guys. Look at these delicious, yummy, mouth-watering callaloo patties. They are looking amazing and it smells so good. So I'm just waiting until the patty cools so I can taste it for you guys. But look at this, very, very easy to make. Try it at home, guys. Make it for your kids, make it for your families. Yes, guys, and you all enjoy. Take care of yourselves, guys, and I hope you indeed enjoy this callaloo patty video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye, guys. Bye.